Solitaire Cash says withdrawal requests are processed within 14 days, with players usually receiving funds within 2 business days. But that does not mean every withdrawal will arrive on a Saturday or Sunday. The payment processor and your bank can affect when money actually appears. For 2026, the better way to compare weekend-friendly Solitaire apps is to look at whether you can request a withdrawal at any time, how the platform processes requests, and whether the final transfer depends on a bank or payment provider. Number 5 is Solitaire Smash Sheet. Its terms say cash players can request a withdrawal from their available account balance at any time. However, the same terms say processing can take up to 90 days, so requesting a payout on Saturday does not guarantee weekend delivery. Number 4 is Solitaire Cash-in. You can submit a withdrawal request through the account and withdraw sections of the app. Its official support page says withdrawals are processed within 14 days, and that players usually receive funds within 2 business days. Solitaire Cashed. Number 3 is another useful category. Solitaire apps that let you play and request withdrawals through an established payment provider. The advantage is that you are not waiting for a special weekday to submit your request. The actual arrival time can still depend on the payment provider. Number 2 is Solitaire Cash, when your priority is having a clearly documented withdrawal process. Its support documentation explains exactly where to request a withdrawal and warns that a processing fee can be deducted. It also says only one withdrawal can be requested at a time. Solitaire Cashed. Number 1 is the app that lets you submit the withdrawal whenever you want, and clearly tells you how long processing can take. That is more useful than an advertisement promising instant weekend payouts. There are 3 checks to make before choosing an app. First, check whether withdrawals can be requested outside normal business hours. Second, separate on withdrawal processing from Delivery.ai. An app can approve a withdrawal while your bank or payment processor takes additional time to post the funds. Third, check verification requirements. Solitaire Cash says identity verification is mandatory if you are prompted to complete it before withdrawing cash winnings. On Solitaire Cash 3. Also, check fees. Solitaire Cash specifically states that a withdrawal processing fee can be deducted from the requested amount. Solitaire Cash 2 Suda. The key takeaway is simple. Weekend withdrawal requests may be possible, but weekend arrival is not guaranteed. Solitaire Cash provides a documented withdrawal process, while Solitaire Smash allows withdrawal requests at any time but gives a much longer maximum processing window. Iris Islando Wanan on the key. Your next step is to check the withdrawal page before playing for cash and confirm the processing window, fees, verification rules, and payment method. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 Solitaire app guides.